Welcome to Raw Power Solutions, service provider engaged in providing repair, maintenance, and reconditioning services of diesel engine. Ethical business practices, latest technology, and skilled technicians are the key attributes of our organization. Focused business approach, timely execution of repairs and turnkey solutions are the factors that help us to stay ahead of our competitors. We offer an exclusive range of services, like in situ crankshaft grinding, alternator journal rebuilding, and inspection of engines. In situ repair services offered by us are a class apart. Our turbine, alternator journal rebuilding and grinding are well known for their durability. We offer engine, spares, bearings manufacturing, and repairing that are highly efficient. We are leading firm engaged in offering inspection of engine and spares. Along with that, we offer in situ crankshaft grinding machine, diesel engine repair, and overhauling. To get more information, log on at www.crankshaftrepair.in.